So for this question, we have already seen 3D model, na? And how normal front view, sectional front view, what is the difference between that? Top view, how it will look like, side view, how it will look like, that we have seen. Now we have to draw which view? Sectional elevation, means sectional front view along section PQ. This is the section PQ. So I have already kept here the SolidWorks model. We have cut the object, and since these two ribs are getting cut longitudinally, we are not cutting that rib. That is the assumption. Slightly I have taken that section plane ahead so that we can see this ribs completely. It is not cut. Now this view, whatever we can see here, this is basically sectional front view. This we have to draw. Okay, so in order to draw this, first we know the total length. By calculating this, the length is how much? 144. So I have already drawn the border, all the 6 offset lines, and layers are created. Okay, now I will select which layer, projection layer, rectangle. Now I have to draw which view? Right hand side view, na? So right hand side view will be drawn on which side? Left side, means front view will be drawn over here. So from here I will draw first rectangle at the rate, length is how much? 144 comma height 90. So first rectangle is drawn. Now again click on rectangle or REC, enter. From this point I will draw top view rectangle at the rate, length is again same, kitna? 144 comma width is downward ना, तो माइनस आएगा, और width कितना है 72, तो माइनस 72, enter. Now side view, how we have to draw? Simply I will draw 45-degree line over here na. So in order to draw that 45-degree line, either you can calculate this angle, this will be from positive x-axis 90, 180, 180 plus 45, मतलब कितना हुआ 225. or second method, what I have explained that second method. देखो second method क्या है, without any angles we can draw. I will select this midpoint, okay, and I will join to this point, then press escape, then simply extend EX, enter, and then I will click on this line, and this line will extend. Now if I measure the angle of this one, this angle will be automatically 45-degree only. Is it clear? So either you can draw like that, L, enter, at the rate 150, angle symbol 225, or you can draw it like this also. Okay, now simply I will take the projection. From here I will take a projection like this, and then from here also I will take a projection. So this side view box is completed now. Is it clear? Now front view, I will start drawing either from this side or this side. This side will be better as this side is touched to the bottom. Okay, so what is this height? 20. So I will select outline layer, and from here this height is how much? Ortho should be on. This height is how much? 20. So 20, enter. Then I have to move towards right. Okay, so since this dimension is known, bottom side 26 plus 18 plus 22, what will be this one? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 66, right? So escape, line, and from here I will move towards right by a distance of 66 millimeter. Then from here I will move up ना, ऊपर कितने से जाना है 10. So keep the cursor in upward direction, 10, enter. Then from here towards right, what is the distance? 6. So towards right 6, enter. Now I have reached this point. Next what I have to draw? I have to draw this inner semicircle. What is the diameter? 36. So I will draw half 18 ka projection layer line. So escape, select projection layer, line, and I will draw from this point 18 millimeter line. Now from this point, that will be the center, right? So I will select again outline layer, circle, and from here I will click till here. Okay, then I need to trim the lower part of the circle, right? So lower part trim करने के लिए EX, enter. I will extend this because I need some reference for trimming, and then TR, double enter, trim this portion, and escape, select this and delete it, press delete. अभी इतना draw होने के बाद we have reached till here. From here I will move till end of the box for now. Okay, so from here I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, then from here I need to move in upward direction. What is the distance? 10. So from here I will move up by a distance of 10 millimeter. Now here you can observe this outer circle. This is not a semicircle. Huh? What is the radius of this one? 28. So simply C, enter. This will be the center, and what will be the radius? 28. So 28, enter. Now I will again go back to line, and from here just observe this. From here there is this line. Okay, so I'll draw this line first till the circle. Okay, so from this point I will draw the line. Now see, don't just come here and click here, otherwise that line will become inclined. Okay, so what you will do, simply move slightly ahead of this, because here it takes the nearest point ना, तो nearest ऊपर नीचे रहेगा, वहां पे जाएगा वो, तो थोड़ा आगे आके क्लिक करना है, escape ER double enter and trim this portion, थोड़ा extra draw करो, and then ये वाला portion भी नहीं दिखेगा. So see the drawing, this portion is not visible, so trim that portion also. So I'm trimming this portion also. Escape. Now here you can observe from this 20 height also there is one horizontal line till this outer circle. So I will draw that line. L, enter. From here I will draw a line horizontally. Again ये circle के अंदर तक जाना है. Then TR double enter, trim this part. Okay, then trim the remaining part also. This part will get trimmed, and then escape, select this circle and press delete on the keyboard. This much portion I have drawn. Next, what is the next part? See, if you observe this drawing, next part what I can draw is, I can draw this portion. Okay, if you see the sectional view, you can see this portion, right? What is the dimension of this? 10. So L, enter. From here I will move inwards towards left side. Ortho should be on. 10, enter, and draw a vertical line over here like this. Okay, now once this is drawn, I need to draw these two circles for this cylinder. Now observe the dimensions. From this point, what is the horizontal distance? 26. And from this point, what is the vertical distance of this center of the circle? 72. So I will select projection layer, horizontal distance from this point. What is the distance? 26. So I will keep the cursor towards right, 26, enter, and from here I have to move in vertical direction. What is the distance? Center, 72. So vertically upward, 72, enter. Now this center is what? This is basically this center. What is the inner circle diameter? 18. So radius कितना रहेगा? 9. So I will select outline layer, select circle, and radius will be how much? 9. So 9, enter. Then outer circle, what is the diameter? 36. Radius क्या रहेगा? 18. So again, last command was circle, na? So I will simply press spacebar to activate the previous command, and then specify the center, and here you can read, specify the radius. Radius is 18. Here you can observe the circle is touching the box, right? Front view box, means our drawing is correct. Now next part, what I am going to draw is this rib. Now since I am drawing sectional front view, this rib will look like this. What is the width of the rib? 10. So 5 on this side, 5 on that side, right? So again go to AutoCAD, L, enter. From this point towards right, 5, enter, and then from here I will move like this vertically. Don't end over here again, otherwise it will take nearest point up, and the line will become crooked, it will be inclined. So move ahead of the circle, escape, TR double enter, trim this part. Next, either you can mirror this over here or you can redraw. So I'll redraw, L, enter. From here towards left, 5, enter, and then ये line draw करके trim करो इसको. Okay, so this part I have drawn. Okay, now here you can observe, in between the circle this portion get erased, right? So that portion I need to trim, this portion I need to trim, TR double enter, trim this portion. Okay, same way here also this portion will get trimmed. Here you can observe, here this center part is not there, so that also I need to trim. So TR double enter, trim this part also. Okay, now once this has been trimmed, I need to draw this rib, na? ये end का rib. So what I will do, I will click on line, select this as first point, okay, and I will search for tangent over here. See, this is quadrant, and quadrant के ऊपर यहाँ पे tangent आया. Just click over here on the tangent. Now most important part is this rib. Now if you observe this rib is basically tangential to this cylindrical portion and this cylindrical portion. So in the book you can keep the roller scale. If these two circles are drawn, you can find a circle tangent by adjusting the roller scale. But how you will draw it in AutoCAD, understand? So what I will do, I will go to line command, L enter, and then instead of clicking on this line, I will type tan, TAN, enter. Now when I go on this circle, anywhere I can click. So if I click over here, automatically it will take a tangent. I can click anywhere, not necessarily I have to click here. So if I move in this direction, tangent will be like this. If I move in this direction, tangent will be like this. Then second, what I will do, I will go here. Now here I cannot see again tangent. So again I will type TAN, enter, and see here also it is showing tangent now. So no need to search tangent, just click anywhere. Automatically it will shift towards tangent and then press escape. Now this drawing is completed. Now one more thing that I need to draw is this hatching line over here. So before I draw the hatching line, just observe, hatching line is in this part, right? So when I draw the hatching lines, I need to remove the lines which are there in between, like this line. So I will turn off which layer? Projection layer. And whatever that zero layer is there, that zero layer I am going to select. Then I will go to this hatch command and I will select the internal point, like this point. But before that I will select ANSI 31 and then I will click over here. Here you can see the hatching lines are now visible. Is it clear? Okay, but the thing is, see, I need to turn off projection layer. If I don't turn off the projection layer, what will happen? Understand. If the projection layer is on and if I go to, I have selected O layer, zero layer, and if I go to hatching lines, okay, ANSI 31 is selected. See, it will come in parts. हाँ, ये पूरा नहीं था, उसके लिए नहीं आया. If ये लाइन अगर पूरा ऊपर तक रहता तो ये पार्ट में बनता. Okay, तो अभी आ रहा है तो no problem in this case. Is it clear? Okay, so like this you are going to complete. Now one more thing is there. In the sectional view, here you can see this one hole is there. That hole is not visible, right? But सेक्शन व्यू में हिडन लाइन तो बताना नहीं है पीछे वाले होल का. तो यहाँ पे बस आपको सेंटर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. तो ये सेंटर लाइन जो रहेगा ये कितने डिस्टेंस पे है? ये जो रिप का सेंटर लाइन है उधर से 18 डिस्टेंस पे. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल सिलेक्ट प्रोजेक्शन लेयर, I will select line and from this point I will move towards right. कितना distance? 18. So 18 enter. See, ortho should be on right में करो. 18 enter. I've got this point. Now I will select center line. Select this line. I will track that end point. यहाँ पे square आएगा कहीं पे, तो this square. इधर से थोड़ा सा नीचे जाना है like this and then यहाँ से like this center line I will draw. Is it clear? Now this line type scale of this center line is not proper. So I will select this center line, right click, go on properties and change this line type scale to 0.5, enter. Either you need to increase or decrease, वो चेक करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, मैंने पहले बताया था ना कैसे करना है, like that. So basically this will be the end of the sectional front view. Is it clear? Okay.